Hello friends, welcome to my channel Infomania by Viharika. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and also click on bell icon for immediate updates. Let's start our today's video with a story of haunted fort and a short story of angel statue. Bhangar Fort. It is a 17th century fort which is famous all over India for being the most haunted place. It is because of the numerous ghostly experiences and happenings in the fort premises. It is often associated with ghosts and horror stories. There are a lot of weird incidents that have been shared by the visitors and locals of the area. Even the Archaeological Survey of India has forbidden the locals and tourists from entering the fort at night. This completely ruined and haunted fort of Bhangar does have a negative aura to it. But what leads this fort for being called it as a haunted place? Is that a sage curse or black magician failed experiment or just rumors? We shall see about it. Several legends have attested to the paranormal activities inside the fort. People have often heard noises from the fort at nights. The locals claimed that they have heard women screaming noise and crying sounds, bangles breaking, and a strange music emerging from the fort. It is said that spirits roam inside the closed gates at these hours, and the place becomes a hotbed for paranormal activities. The locals are to be believed whoever has attempted to stay back in the fort or nearby area after dark has never returned. There are many local tales about the paranormal activities in the fort. It depends on a person whether he believes it or not. It is said that the spirits roam in Bhangar fort at night, and various strange noises are also heard. Also, as it is said, anyone who enters the fort at night would not be able to return in the morning. As per the locals, a group of friends who went for sightseeing to Bhangar caught the glimpse of what seemed like a boy in a house without a door but a grilled window, and also heard someone crying and some paranormal activity. This and many other stories are popular or rumored to be true around here. Let's see about the actual point over here. The fort was built by Bhagwan Das for his younger son Madhu Singh I. There are two sides of every story. So as this, let me tell you one by one. Whether you believe in curses or not, here is one of the scary tales behind the doom of Bhangar, taking you to the first side of the story. According to a legend, a sadhu named Guru Bhalunath lived within the fort area, and it was his injunction that any house built in the premises of the fort should not be taller than his own, and if the shadow of any such house fell on his house, would result in destruction of the whole fort town. But an ambitious successor of Madhu Singh ignored those warnings and fortified Bhangar fort with higher walls. As a result, the shadow engulfed the home of Sadhu, and in return, his curse destroyed the whole Bhangar town. As per psychic power of saint, the entire town was destroyed, and ever since, any construction around the cursed location or place faces collapse. The Samadhi of Guru Bhalunath is still there, where he was buried. Here is the second side of the story. According to another tale, a tantric named Singaya fell in love with Ratnavati, a beautiful Bhangar princess. Hypnotized by her beauty, he thought of getting her. Then he put a spell of black magic on the oil that the princess was supposed to use for massage. However, the princess saw the tantric trick that he was enchanting the oil. The princess refused it by throwing onto a large rock that consequently rolled towards him and crushed him into death. However, before his last breath, He cursed the entire town of Bangar. It is said that the reason behind the restricted entry at nights is because of the tiger reserve there. As the fort is surrounded by the jungle, there would be a threat to the people by wild animals. Why would government want to risk the life of the citizens? While Bhangar Fort story has been rubbished by the scientists, nothing is stopping for few people to stop or spread the rumors, and also from believing that it is a sanctuary of ghosts. So, it might be a haunted place for few people, whereas for others, it's just a tourist place with rumors around. For few people, there is something inside the fort, whereas for few others, there is nothing inside the fort. So, what do you guys think? Rumor or truth? Angel statue. A few years ago, a mother and father decided they needed a break, so they wanted to head out for a night on the town. They called their most trusted babysitter. When the babysitter arrived, the two children were slept. So the babysitter just got to sit around and make sure everything was okay with the children. Later that night, the babysitter got bored and went to watch TV. But she could not watch it downstairs because they did not have cable downstairs. So she called them and asked if she could watch TV in the parents' room. Of course, the parents said it was okay. But the babysitter had one final request. She asked if she could cover up the angel statue which is outside the bedroom window with a blanket or cloth because it made her nervous. The phone line was silent for a moment, and the father who was talking to the babysitter at that time said, "Take the children and come out of the house. We will call the police." "Why? What's wrong?" said the babysitter, her heart suddenly racing. The father's voice began to veer with fear and told, "We don't own an angel statue." The police arrived at the scene less than 15 minutes after the phone hung up and found the babysitter and children already dead. The bodies had been horribly mutilated, and several walls of the house had been crudely painted in their blood. The forensic team was able to discern a couple of smudged handprints among the blood. Tiny handprints like those of a baby. And this was still left as unresolved mystery. That's all for today, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Infomania by Viharika.